So USCIS recently updated that they are no longer issuing combo cards. As you know, when you apply for your green card, you apply for advanced parole to be able to travel and your work permit to be able to work. And usually they come in one card that is both on travel and work authorized. Well, recently they've been separating that and only issuing their work permits. In this video, we'll tell you why it's happening and what you can do to expedite the processing of your EAD, your work permit. So make sure you watch this video all the way until the end, and I'll see you on the other side. Hello everybody, and welcome back to our immigration channel. This is a place where you get the most up-to-date immigration information, immigration updates, and everything else that you need to make your immigration journey less stressful. My name is Jacob Sapochnick, and I'm an immigration attorney located in San Diego, California. And in this video, we'll talk about some recent changes that are happening to the production of the combo cards, the work and travel permits that are usually issued in one card, and also how you can expedite the processing of your EADs, which right now sometimes are taking over a year. So make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. Before that, if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos, and also give us a big like so YouTube will be able to share this video with more people just like you. So, what's happening right now with EADs and advanced paroles? So as you know, when you file your adjustment of status application, you file Form I-765 to apply for your EAD, your work permit, and Form I-131 to get your advanced parole, the travel document. Those applications are usually filed together, whether it's a family-based petition, marriage, or if it's an employment-based petition where you file for an adjustment of status. And in the past few years, we've always been getting those combo cards. But recently, USCIS informed members of the American Immigration Lawyers Associations, as well as we've seen in our office, obviously, in practice, that we are filing those together, but we're only getting the work permit separately, without the travel document. And the question came to USCIS, why are they doing so? And the reason why it's happening is because they are trying to speed up the processing of these EAD cards. You know, one of the things I'm going to talk about in this video is how you can actually try to expedite the processing of your EAD. We'll talk about what you can do in a few minutes. But what USCIS is doing right now, they're trying to do whatever it takes internally to be able to speed up the processing of these applications. Last year, they've done quite a lot. They've canceled the biometric appointments for quite a few people that are applying for EADs. That saves time, and it allows them to process these applications faster. They've also extended the validity of EAD applications from 1 year to 2 years to save time from people to apply every year, and that also will reduce the backlog. And finally, what happened in the past few days is that they are deciding to separate the processing of the combo cards. So now you should be getting the EAD faster before you get your travel documents, because they feel that people are anxious, they don't want to have a lapse in employment, and if they separate those cards, they're going to be able to adjudicate them faster, and that's what they're trying to do right now. So that's something that you should be aware of, that if you get your EAD without your travel document, don't be alarmed. It is a common practice that is happening right now. We don't know how long it's going to continue, but right now it's happening. So something that we wanted to update our viewers, so it's important for you to know that. So how can you actually expedite your EAD card after you file it? There are only a few reasons why USCIS will even consider expediting your EAD. Number one reason is severe financial loss to a person or a company that requires urgent action. So for example, if you're not going to get your EAD, you're going to lose your job, or the company is going to lose a very important person in the organization, which will result in financial loss. These are typically the most common reasons why we're able to expedite some of our clients' EADs. Number two, emergencies and urgent humanitarian reasons. So for example, if somebody is about to lose their job and as a result they're going to lose their livelihood, or if somebody is really needed to be able to travel overseas, that's for expediting, for example, a travel document. So humanitarian reasons are some of the reasons that we'll consider as well. Again, not very easy to show it, not very easy to prove it, but those have been reasons that were successful in the past to expedite those EADs. Number three, U.S. government interests. If the DHS or DOL or ICE need your help, or they need you to do something, they can push the government to expedite your EAD, so you'll be able to start working either with them or somebody else that will benefit their operations. So sometimes those agencies can help push your EAD. It's not very common, but it's a reason. And finally, if it's a USCIS error, it's a clear error that happened because of them and we can show it, we send them a request and they will fix it and expedite your EAD. So these are the common reasons why they will expedite. Now, how do you expedite? What you do is call the USCIS, their 800 number to place a request to expedite. Second thing you can do is log into the website and chat with Emma, their online agent. It's an AI system where you can log in, submit a request, and that's another way to request an expedite of your EAD. When you actually file your case, and that's recommended, that's what we do in our office, before we actually file the case, when we submit our EAD, we actually submit a request to expedite with the initial filing in writing. That typically works well if you can document some of the reasons I mentioned before, put it in writing, and then your case can be expedited. Your lawsuits against USCIS because of the delays in EADs, and we think more are going to come, but the bottom line is that they understand as well that it's a crisis, and therefore the recent thing that they're doing is separating the EADs from the advanced parole to try to expedite and see if that works. If that works, obviously they'll continue to do so until they catch up with their backlog. Any other change in that respect, trust me, I'll make sure to update you right here on this channel. Once again, if you need assistance with your case, with any of your cases, text me right here, 619-483-4549. I'm here to help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.